Purple mist rises from the sunlit peak. A silver cascade hangs like a mountain's veil. The torrent leaps 3,000 feet straight down as if the Milky Way crashed from the heavens. 1,300 years ago, Li Bai captured Mount Lu's waterfall's majesty in just 4 lines. Now in winter, the waterfall freezes into an ice curtain, a magical echo of his hanging river imagery. Even Tang Dynasty tea master Lu Yu called it the finest spring under heaven. Poets like Su Shi and Huang Tingjian raced to write verses about it. Mountains stand silent, yet their grandeur hails the noise of our world.
Tell Chinese stories and spread the Chinese spirit. Hello everyone, I'm Liu Xin.